So what I've done so far is I'm making a kilt belt for myself, and see that I've already carved it in. It's a Celtic knotwork. I've carved the edge in, skived down the bend so that it wants to fold, and that will get riveted in there with the end in when I'm done. And I've started off going around the edge there, but on the other end I've actually engraved it properly, as you can see there with the beveling tool. I've gone over all the lines. However, you can see the squares in between the bits are still up, so I'm currently going through backgrounding it to make them nice and flat, so that hopefully that will just stand up and hopefully look awesome when I'm done. Right, let's get to it. Oh, and I had to get a new tool to use this with. This is a craft tool Ep01, and it is just about, where are we? Come here. It's just about the smallest one there. It's 3/8 by 1/16, or 1.5 to 2 mil by 3 mil. I know this is never going to focus, but yeah, really small. So there we go. Right guys, that's pretty much me done for the day. Just to go through the tools I've used, because my the eagle-eyed among you might have seen that my method changed slightly. Instead of just using that one, sort of almost a semicircle but not quite, I've also been using this one, which is a Craft Tool Pro that I've got. This is Craft Tool Pro number B2042, and it's a proper textured beveler. It's just lovely because that tip is really quite pointed and it just gets into the crack just absolutely perfectly. Gets into the line you've cut with your swivel knife. And then for the main bevels on each ribbon, I'm using this one, a nice wide beveler. And this is also a Craft Tool Pro, and it's B2045, B for beveler 2045. And this one I found just sits there so beautifully. Like that, you can get a really nice fine bit. So, just show you what we've done today. That's how we're looking today. This is going to look really quite awesome when it's done. It's finished. See how that's the early work, and that's the later work with the change in method. So I think this way is definitely better, and that's where I'm up to. So, yep, I'm getting some serious cramp in my back and shoulders now. I'm using muscles I've never used before. But a lot might say, why don't you just use a Celtic stamp or a really nice basket weave, like that one. And that's a fair point, but I wanted this to actually be my, what do they call it, student masterpiece or something like that, where you go out of your way to produce something lovely. I may not be doing this ever again, unless someone's willing to pay me a truckload of money for the labour. But yeah, I think this is going to look pretty awesome with some. Going to use Jelva brown, mainly because it's the only brown I've got, and then some dark brown Vibing's Antique Finish. The only reason I got this instead of EcoFlow gel is because I've never antiqued anything before, and I was on a really tight budget. I needed to get set up and running quite quickly, so I got that because it is a little bit cheaper, but I am looking forward to being able to use the gel at some point. What else? Oh yeah. I've handmade one of these because I don't know what they're called and I don't know where to get them from. So if anyone can, we'll get hold of this in the back of this one day. If anyone can tell me what these are, what their name is, and where I can buy them from, then I'd be very grateful. Then ordered a buckle off eBay. It says it'll fit belts up to 2.5 inches. This belt used to be 2.5 inches, and it went nowhere near it. It's 2.25 inches at best, which is a bit annoying because I was hoping it'd be able to do 2.5, which is why you may have seen this narrow down since previous videos, if I've remembered to record them. This buckle's got quite a decent bend in it, hasn't it? That might need hammering out a little bit. Oh, but yeah, this bit was bent when I got it, so I had to tap that down. And then you put it on and that just goes like that. So, there we go. And I'll hopefully see you tomorrow. All of this is in aid of trying to get it ready for Maker Central, so if I see you there, we'll be there on the Saturday on the 5th. So if we see you there, come by and say hi. I'll be wearing a t-shirt with my logo on it quite large, so, and a kilt, so it should be fairly difficult to miss. So yeah, pop up, say hi, and be good to meet you. Okay, see you then. Bye bye.